Have you ever wondered how we capture stunning images in space? Let's break down the James Webb Telescope technology to understand this better. James Webb has a giant 6.5-meter mirror made up of 18 smaller hexagonal mirrors. These mirrors are coated in gold to help reflect infrared light, which is a type of light our eyes can't see, but is perfect for spotting very faint and distant objects in space, like the first galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. The hexagonal shape of the mirrors allow them to fit perfectly without gaps, creating one large, powerful mirror. James Webb's thermal systems are also crucial because they keep the telescope extremely cold. James Webb has a huge sun shield about the size of a tennis court that blocks heat from the sun. This sun shield and other cooling systems help keep the telescope's instruments stay at very low temperatures. Why is this important? Because infrared light is basically heat. So if the telescope is too warm, it would see its own heat instead of the faint heat from distant objects in space. All these elements work together to make James Webb an incredible tool to explore the universe. If you like out-of-this-world space and tech content, like and subscribe.
Thanks for tuning in. Remember to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and drop a comment below.